Okay, so we're taking a look at my brand new birdhouse. It's a good looking little birdhouse, or bird feeder. It'll probably end up feeding all my squirrels because they like to get on there. So let's go ahead and start off. This has a metal, it's metal, and then it's covered in a really good coating. It also has a perch on each side that you could slide wherever you want it. It did not have the screws. I don't know if it was just missing from mine or if it just doesn't come with it, but I had to find my own screws, which is not really the end of the world for me. I've got a ton of screws laying around. Okay, so I do like that it has a metal mesh in here that'll allow for water to drain off. That's all good. So also, I am happy with this hook that they gave me. That's going to attach to whatever I wrap around my tree. You can just go right through there like that. And what I'm not happy with, though, is a couple of things. This string they gave me is just not suitable at all. It's extremely thin. That's definitely going to break. So I've got to replace that. My other issue is that this should have had some way to attach it, like here and here, or maybe just one in the middle, I guess. But the way that they've got this going around there is just bugging me. So it's supposed to hang like that. Well, what's going to happen is if it blows hard enough, or if an animal gets on there, it's going to end up over here like that. And then I'm going to have to go out there and mess with it. And I really don't want to have to do that. So I'm going to definitely modify the way that that is working there. And then my last complaint is that this wood is just pine, and there's no way that's not going to rot. There's no coating on it at all. So now I'm going to have to go ahead and either paint it or stain it. I'll probably just stain it. When I buy something, I don't want to have to make a bunch of modifications to it. It is cute and everything. I like it, and I'm going to fix it and make it look right. But I feel like it should come out of the box ready to go. I still like it and everything. I'm going to do it, but, you know, keeping in mind that you have to do all that to it. And other than that, it should last for a really long time once I fix it.
On a ici une mangeoire à oiseaux qui est bien faite. Alors un socle en bois, avec ici un toit entièrement en tôle métallisée, avec une petite ficelle qui est prévue dessus pour l'attacher à notre branche d'arbre. Alors ce qu'on apprécie, c'est que le fond est grillagé. Ça c'est pas mal parce que quand on va mettre des graines, ça peut s'accumuler un petit peu et ça peut moisir si c'est humide. Ici c'est bien ventilé, ça évite les moisissures et les pourritures, donc ça c'est pas mal du tout. Alors sont livrés en bonus ici des petits perchoirs qu'on va placer sur le bois de cette façon. Voilà, on peut mettre de chaque côté si on veut pour que les petits oiseaux puissent se percher dessus. Le petit crochet en bonus ici. Donc voilà, petite mangeoire, perchoir, bien faite. On apprécie la solidité et la simplicité de la construction et avec un socle bien aéré avec ce petit grillage pour plus de salubrité.